Let's make a journal combining greeting cards that are super colorful and fun. Welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and I want to tell you a story. A long time ago, I saw these cards on Pinterest, and I said to myself, I wish I have them all. I was captivated by the different outfits and all the colorful details and patterns on dresses and pants, on hats and glasses. It turned out to be Dolly Mamas collection by Joy. The edition is 2011. So it happens to be that I went to a thrift store and I found them all among other cards for a very good price. To have them all as a collection, that what a better way to have them as the page of a special journal that I'm going to call Mamacitas. Let's make three signatures, and as always, I'm going to be using a template that is going to allow me to have all the punches and holes in the same line and in the same distance, so I'm not going to have any problems at the moment to add the cover. So as you can see here, I'm using embroidery thread. I was in love with this apple green, and that is what I'm going to be using. And let's start by putting all together and then do all the holes, and then I'm gonna sew them all one by one. This journal promises a lot. These mamacitas are going to be giving me a light up for the starting of the new year 2025. I really can't wait to start working in this amazing journal. I can see that they have green hair, they have beautiful earrings and bracelets. Some of them have some pets and amazing flowers on the ponytails. Other ones are saying, so who is this moderation everyone is telling me to drink with? That is super cool. And that lady is wearing a polka dot blouse with matching socks. And then another funny one is matching socks. And then another funny one is one with the blue hair. It has like the 70s, 80s style. And also there is one with a blue sparkly dress that says wine taster with work for free. I can tell it's as one is better than the other and the other is better than the previous one. So this Dolly Mamas by Joy collection is really, really amazing, and my wish came true. So, as you can see here, I'm trying to do the three signatures separately because the cardstock is very, very thick, is a good material. So, I wanted to have nice and neat. And in my next episode, let's gonna make together the cover of this amazing journal. Another fact that I love about these cards is that they have a frame. One of them has it like in black and white with strips or with squares. Some of them has this amazing apple green in combination with pink or orange or blue. So I don't have words. My wish came through, and that's what I'm working today with a lot of happiness. And I'm very, very grateful for this video and for this community I'm trying to build here with you. Thank you so much. So by the end of the video, I'm going to have three signatures of my journal Mamacitas, and in my next episode I'll show you how to make the cover. Once again, thank you so much for being in here. This is a special episode for Thanksgiving 2024. I hope you have a great time. Enjoy your family, enjoy your pets, enjoy your little moments and big moments in this holy season of the year. So I see you soon, my friends, and thank you so much for following me, for subscribing to my channel, for giving me a thumbs up, and also for leaving me a comment down below. So I see you very soon in my next episode. Bye bye. Bye, friends, and happy Thanksgiving 2024. Bye.